Have you ever tried using the same spices for marinating chicken in your fried rice?
That's awesome to hear. It's such a great idea. Those spices really do work perfectly with the rice, giving it that delicious, savory, and slightly spicy kick. A fantastic way to create a quick and flavorful meal. Ingredients: rice, spices, corn kernels, carrot, egg, vegan luncheon meat. Peel and diced carrot. Personally, I think adding carrots to fried rice not only makes it more colorful, but also adds a delightful crunch and sweetness that I really enjoy. It's awesome that the vegetarian spicy luncheon meat turned out to be tasty, and even better that the heat level is mild enough for everyone to enjoy. Open this kind of can carefully to avoid cutting your hand. The fragrant vegetarian Spam fried rice greatly enhances your appetite. Its unique flavor elevates simple fried rice into a delicious dish, and whether for breakfast or a main meal, it easily satisfies your cravings. Diced vegan luncheon meat and set aside. Beat the eggs and set them aside. If you want the rice to be golden throughout, you can also mix the beaten eggs directly into the cooked rice before frying. Another method is to pour the beaten eggs into the wok and add the rice while the eggs are still runny, allowing the grains to coat and absorb the egg's fragrance during stir-frying. I prefer to taste the distinct texture of the egg, so I scramble it first and set it aside. Then I stir it in just before the fried rice is done. This way, you get that beautiful golden egg fried rice every time. A little salt in the eggs and keeping them slightly underdone ensures they stay tender and blend perfectly with the rice at the end. Perfect texture and flavor. Using the same pan to fry the vegetarian Spam is a great way to build layers of flavor. The residual oil and bits left from previous ingredients will help enhance its savory aroma, making the fried rice even more fragrant and delicious. Toss in rice and stir-fry evenly. Add salt and spicy seasoning powder according to your taste. Then stir-fry until evenly mixed and fragrant. Tossing corn kernel and diced carrot. Finally, pour in the scrambled eggs and give everything a good mix. It's ready to serve. After turning off the heat, drizzle sesame oil generously to enhance the aroma. That's it! Your simple yet incredibly fragrant spicy luncheon meat egg fried rice is ready. It smells amazing, and every bite is packed with appetizing flavor so satisfying. Enjoy your meal! Adding some vegetarian pumpkin floss or shredded seaweed, along with a few raisins and nuts, would definitely create richer layers of texture and flavors savory, sweet, and crunchy all at once. The fried rice achieves a wonderful balance of textures and flavors. The vegetarian chicken shreds provide a tender chewiness, the nuts add a crispy richness, and the raisins contribute a delightful sweetness. These elements combine to create a harmonious blend of savory and sweet notes, offering a playful mix of soft, crunchy, and bouncy sensations in every bite. First, fried rice is super time-saving. Just toss leftover rice with whatever ingredients you have, and it's done in minutes. Second, it's totally flexible. You can throw in any meat, veggies, or spices you like, so it never gets boring. And lastly, it's eco-friendly cause it helps use up leftovers and reduces food waste while saving money. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.